thank you for purchasing the Arlo Ultra Spotlight camera. Designed with advanced features like 4K video with HDR, ultra-wide field of view, premium two-way audio, color night vision, and integrated spotlight, Arlo Ultra Spotlight camera is ready to deliver ultimate protection. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Arlo Ultra system in just 5 simple steps. First, you'll need to download the Arlo app. Select Add Device, Cameras, then Ultra. The app will prompt you to connect your Smart Hub to your router using an Ethernet cable, and then to power the Smart Hub. Your phone and Smart Hub must be on the same network for them to automatically connect. Once connected, you'll then be asked to name your Arlo Smart Hub. After naming the Smart Hub, it will check for and automatically update the firmware. Next, you'll be prompted to insert the battery into your camera. Just remove the housing from the camera and insert the battery with the logo facing up. With the battery inserted, the Smart Hub will automatically detect the camera and ask you to select the serial number of the camera you'd like to pair. Then you'll be asked to name your camera. Find a location with a clear vantage point and a strong signal. Position the camera to take maximum advantage of Arlo Ultra's 180-degree view. If you want to install the magnetic charging cable, you can place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. Arlo Ultra's modular design also prevents accidental dropping of the camera when you're changing batteries, with its built-in catch that catches the camera as it slides out from the housing. The kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware. When your camera is mounted, select Continue, and the app will prompt you to select the camera to set up a free trial of Arlo Smart. Arlo Smart is a subscription-based service you can add to your Arlo cameras, which provides cloud recording, 30-day video history, package detection, cloud activity zones, and more. Congratulations! Your cameras are now active. Press Finish, and you're ready to enjoy greater peace of mind with ultimate protection from your Arlo Ultra Spotlight camera. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control.
Smart home security has never been brighter. Introducing the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. It's a combination of our award-winning camera technology, paired with the superior brightness of a powerful LED floodlight. Delivering the first ever floodlight camera that can be set up entirely wire-free, giving you total flexibility for maximum visibility, with a sleek and intelligent design that complements any exterior. A wide, crisp picture with color night vision lets you zoom in on the details. And a built-in smart siren can easily be triggered when you're away. With flexible power options, you can use the rechargeable battery or provide continuous power through a power outlet or solar panel. And rest assured with Arlo's Privacy Pledge that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. It's security at its brightest.
When it comes to wireless security cameras, Arlo is a name that you should know about. Last year, they released the Arlo Pro 3, which is arguably their best security camera to date. But since then, they've expanded their portfolio, introducing several new cameras to the mix. And for some consumers, it might be a little bit tough trying to tell the difference between all of them. So in this video, I'm going to break down the latest Arlo cameras so you know exactly which one's right for you. So the first one I'm going to talk about here is the Arlo Pro 3. It's their flagship, and for many reasons. So it's all about the specs with this one here. It features a wide 160-degree field of view. You have 2K video recording with HDR, so great contrast as far as high dynamic scenes. You also get color night vision, two-way audio, and also a 12x zoom. What's unique about the design is that it features a removable battery. You could take out, swap out, and recharge. You don't have to take out the entire camera. It does require the smart hub in order for it to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And if you intend on buying it, it does come with a 2-camera kit. You get 2 Arlo Pro 3 cameras and the base station. Next up, I want to talk about a slight variant, the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight. Now, as far as the specs, it's no different with the exception of that giant floodlight on the front. So it puts out 3000 lumens of brightness, significantly more than just the spotlight you see in the Arlo Pro 3. It's great for scaring away intruders or any other animals that might come around. But the downside to this is, of course, it may impact the battery life. The Arlo Pro 3 is rated for roughly 6 months of normal usage. Of course, depending on how often you use the floodlight, it may be less than that. Now I want to switch it up to the other end of the spectrum, where the Arlo Pro 3 is considered the high end. The Arlo Essential Spotlight is more on the affordable and budget side. So it features a narrower 130-degree field of view with 1080p video recording. You're still going to get the color night vision. You also have two-way audio recording. The design is slightly different too because it doesn't have a removable battery. So in order to recharge it, you got to take out the camera entirely from the mount itself. But it's worth noting that it is a camera that doesn't require the smart hub. So basically it connects directly to your Wi-Fi network. So simple setup. But the downside with that is, of course, it's going to compete against all the other wireless devices on your Wi-Fi network, and that can impact its connectivity. And the last one I want to talk about here is the Arlo Essential XL. It's a slight variant, so as far as the specs are concerned, it's very identical. The biggest change here is the battery. It has a larger capacity battery, so it's going to give you better battery life. The Arlo Essential is rated for upwards of around 6 months of normal usage. You're going to get double that here with the XL version.